Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I signed up for the Target baby registry and they provided a free gift. So I just wanted to go ahead and show you what Target gave me. So for starters, they gave me a 2-pack of luxury diapers by Millie Moon, baby wipes by Honest Company, 6 strips of temp and toss thermometers, some water wipes. They gave me some Dreft laundry detergent. This is a sample of some diaper rash cream. They gave me some Aquaphor. I used Aquaphor for my babies. I had my first daughter in 2001 and then I had my second daughter in 2007 and I really liked Aquaphor. Then they gave me some nursing pads, storage bag samples in here. So that's really nice. Elmer's cocoa butter, Dr. Brown's bottle. And I'm having a boy, so this is great. They gave me some pacifiers by the company Bibs, infant formula, another baby bottle, some boogie wipes, bottle and dish soap cleaner, breast pump cleaner wipes, a supplement that relieves gas, fussiness, and hiccups. So I guess you put that in the baby's bottle. Not really sure. Some Baby Dove. This is a wash, Baby Dove wash. CeraVe baby lotion. CeraVe baby wash and shampoo. CeraVe moisturizing cream, baby cream. Aveeno baby lotion. And the last item was a sample of Pedialyte. Thank you so much, Target. Yeah, I'm very excited to try all these products. Some of the products I've used in the past before, and I know that they're good products, so I'm very excited. Thank you so much for watching this quick little video. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon, guys. Bye.